everyone, welcome to Hmong Creations. So here on my website, hmongcreations.etsy.com, I have another Hmong baby outfit that I just wanted to share with you guys. It is a 4-piece outfit, so you will get the headband on the top, which is the purple flower, and then the shirt, and the sash and the apron. Actually, I sewed them together, so they are one piece, and then also the tutu skirt, so that's the 4th piece. This outfit is for about newborn to a 2-month-old. I would say it would fit. I say that because I remember my sizing is based off of my little girl here's outfit. So I remember about 3 months she didn't fit it anymore. Probably could if I pinned it, but I don't want to risk it. So I just want to let you guys know about newborn to about 2 months. And that's how I got the sizing from. Here's just a picture of my little 2-year-old holding the body, just the outfit, just to show you guys how tiny it is. It really is. So it looks big, but it's actually pretty tiny. And here's just a front view of it, and here's a close-up of it. Again, the fabric that I use is embroidery. It's not print. It is embroidery, machine embroidery, so it's very, very pretty. This one actually has the gold on it that glistens, so it's very pretty. Again, this outfit I use lace, and so with this lace here you can see my fingers through the shirt. So I just want to let you guys know that it is see-through, the shirt. The shade on the other hand is I put a purple felt on the piece of fabric on the back, so it's a sturdy shade and it's not flimsy. So I wanted to do that because when you take pictures with the baby laying down, it's nice that the shade is a little bit stiffer. And right now the price is $55. Again, these are one-of-a-kind items, and just wanted to share with you guys this adorable outfit that I had. There it is. Okay, thanks for looking. Bye.